Hello, I'm Hugh from All Preparation Equipment. Today we'll be going over some tips and tricks on how to set up your DSM450 Variable Speed floor grinder to get the best results on site. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel if you haven't already. The DSM450 Variable Speed is ideal for prep work, honing and polishing on areas up to 70 square metres or more, which is similar to a double car garage. So to set up the DSM450, always ensure the power is unplugged when changing the diamonds, and then adjust the handle so that you can easily flip the machine back. So underneath it takes 9 knock-on shoes, so we install them using the skinny edge of the wedge first, and then slide them in and give them a small tap with a hammer to ensure they're in place. It's important to make sure they're all an even height so the grinder is running evenly. Once the diamonds are on, adjust the dust shroud so that it's sitting flush with the ground when you put the grinder down. And the head is self-leveling, so it'll adjust according to the height of the floor. And then pull the handle down so it's a comfortable position. You've got water tank, which you can use for adding water. There's a dial on the side. For starting the grinder, always ensure that you've got heavy duty 2.5mm square copper leads and that it's plugged into its own circuit separate to the vacuum so it gets good quality power. You plug it in, and when you start the machine, always take the weight off the floor when you start it so it's not under heavy load, and you'd usually run the speed at about halfway to start with and then increase it from there depending on if you're being aggressive. With a grind or honing or polishing, you'd usually back it off. It's got also a ripcord for safety so that you can stop it in an emergency, and also the off button, which is red. The vacuum port is at the back, which is where you hook up to get good suction. The handle can also be folded over the front for storage. There is minimal maintenance required on the Schwamborn floor grinders, but it is worth periodically checking the depth of material left on your diamond shoes. Grinding through to the backing plates will likely result in damage to the floor and also the machine. As always, make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE when working with any machinery, and for more in-depth safety information, refer to the manual. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button before you go. If you're interested in any of the gear we showed you today, call us on 1800 422 992. Catch you on the next one.